if you want to clone apps on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so there are a couple methods of doing this, and the first one is through our advanced features. So let's open up our settings, scroll down to our advanced features tab. Here we gotta locate our dual messenger. There it is. So you can see the available apps. Simply tap on the switch and press install. Press confirm. You can use separate context list if you want to, right? So you can select some contacts if you want to. And now it's added. So as you see, the second copy of Facebook, which I was doing, is installed. So now we can open up our applications list, and here's our Facebook. Here is the original and here is the copy. Great. So the second way around of doing this is more versatile, and it's through our secure folder. So open up your settings. Now scroll down to your security and privacy. Now we gotta locate our more security settings and locate your secure folder. Set it up if you haven't set it up already. When it's done, let's open it up. And here you can add up, tap on the plus, and you can add up any kind of application. Press add, and now it's here. So keep in mind that this is the copy of the original application which you have, which gives you a lot of variety, right? A lot of different ways to do. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.